Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this flawless, fresh looking, glowy face using all products that you can get from Walmart. I'm mind blown. You're probably going to be mind blown. I don't typically do videos like this just because I don't really wear a lot of drugstore products on the daily. Not that they're not good, not that I'm against them or anything. It's just I have so much makeup and I don't do my makeup every day. So when I do sit down and do my makeup, like, I'm gonna reach for my good shit because I spend a lot of money on that and I want to put it on my face. I noticed one day when I did my makeup I used a lot of affordable products, so I was like, I wonder if I could just make this a makeup tutorial and swap out some of the things that weren't affordable and make it an all affordable makeup tutorial. That's why I'm here. And I asked a lot of you guys on my Instagram stories and my Snapchat if you would like to see this makeup because I was so impressed with it, and a bunch of people said yes. So that's why I'm here making this video for you today, okay? So if you would like to see how I got this makeup look right here, then please keep watching. What up, guys? So to start, I'm gonna prime my face with my Maybelline Master Prime Hydrating and Smoothing Primer. I love this stuff. It gives me a nice base before foundation. And then for foundation, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Pro Glow Foundation. I was sleeping on this. It is so good. It gives me such a pretty glow and the coverage is amazing. It's buildable and I just love it. And it's from the drugstore, which is crazy. But then I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend that all in like so. Now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline FitMe concealer. I love this concealer. It's one of my all-time favorite concealers, high-end and drugstore. It's just so good. The only issue that I had was that the shades weren't light enough, but they just came out with new ones. So I was really happy and I picked this one up the other day. This is in the shade 5 Ivory. And then I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend that all in. This product is really exciting. It's the Wet n Wild Cushion Contour. And I'm not really into liquid or cream contours of any sort. I just feel like it's an extra step that just takes time and it's not necessary. But I saw Kathleen Lights use this in a video and she's really fair skinned and I'm really fair skinned. So I was like, I'm gonna try this because it looked really good on her. And guys, I'm obsessed. It's so good. I put it on with a brush and then I just take my beauty blender and further blend everything in. And it looks so natural and the color is just, I love it. Here I am just going in with my beauty blender and getting rid of some of those creases that our concealer may have settled in before I go in with a powder. And for powder, I'm going to take the NYX Professional Finishing Powder in the shade Banana. It's really brightening and I like this. It's at the under eye because it's not too heavy. For bronzer, I'm taking this one from L'Oreal. It's the True Match Lumi Bronze It bronzer in the shade Light. I think it comes in 3 shades, light, medium, and deep. This bronzer is beautiful. It's not too warm. Then for blush, I'm taking this one from Wet n Wild. It's the Color Icon Ombre blush, and this is in the shade the Princess Daiquiris. I think that's a really cute name. You kind of have to build that up a lot, but once you do, it's really pretty. And then I'm just taking that same bronzer that I used on my face and putting it all over my eyelids just to kind of give some definition and make it look like we did something with ourselves, even though it was really easy. This is the only part of the video that's not drugstore. It's my lip plumper, but it's not a necessary step, so don't even worry about it. For brows, I'm going to go in with this NYX pencil in the shade Ash Brown. It's their micro brow pencil. Y'all, I'm really impressed by this. I love this pencil. It's very comparable to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Lips. And I just kind of outline the brow and then fill it in and spoolie it in between to make sure it looks as natural and nice as possible. I was trying to see you and the mama on a jet ski. Yeah, the real thing. I don't wanna do it if it's not the real thing. She don't wanna do it if you ain't got the bill paid. I'm my boss, bitches know I got the bill paid. Y'all know it wouldn't be right if I didn't rap to you, right? Then I'm taking this NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Chocolate. I started using this when they discontinued Benefit Gimme Brow, and it's not as good because nothing's as good as that, but it's still a really nice brow mascara. Then I'm taking this Colourpop cream gel liner in the shade Honeydude. This is just going to open up our eyes and make it look brighter. To set my face, I'm taking my Badescu facial spray. This is the lavender scent. I love this stuff. It's so good. It feels so nice and refreshing. And then while that's drying, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. This is probably my favorite highlighter from the drugstore. It's not too dramatic. It's natural looking, but it's not too white. It's not too gold. It's like the perfect opal-y color. And I'm just putting that on the tip of my nose, down the center of my nose, a little bit on the cheekbones, and then a little bit in the inner corner just to brighten that up. For mascara, this is one of the GOATs. Yo, L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black is one of my ride or die mascaras. It's just so lengthening. I love it. Even though I'm about to put on false lashes, this is one of the best mascaras ever. Just wiping off my lip plumper before I go in with all of my lip products. And I'm going to start by lining my lips with this Colourpop Lippie pencil in the shade Skimpy. Love this. It's just a pretty neutral, natural looking nude. Goes good with anything. For lipstick, I'm taking this one from Loreal. It's actually a collab with L'Oreal and Balmain. I guess because they're both like a Paris thing. I don't really know. I was confused when I saw it, but it also caught my attention. And this is in the shade Urban Safari. It's a really pretty nude. I just don't like the way it smells. It smells like baby powder, kind of. Over top of that, I'm going in with this Hard Candy Plumping Serum Lip Gloss in the shade Girl Next Door. I was so excited when I saw these at Walmart because I love plumping lip glosses and just lip glosses in general, and the packaging was really pretty. Now that my mascara has completely dried, I'm taking my all-time favorite lashes. These are the Ardell Wispy 113s. They're just so flattering.
I heard you got too little last night.
And I'm just popping those on. The easiest way to apply false lashes is to put the glue on, let it almost dry completely, then poke it in the center with your tweezers, and then hook it down on both ends. I know it's a lot easier said than done, but if you just practice, you'll be good at it in no time. I can probably put on lashes without a mirror, like in the middle of a club without even looking now. Then what I like to do is just take my tweezers and press my real lashes and the fake ones together just to get a nice fuse going there. And then I'm taking that same L'Oreal Telescopic mascara and putting it on my lower lashes. This is the best lower lash line mascara. Love it. Makes them so long and pretty. And then I had a boo-boo. The best way to fix that is just wait till it completely dries and take a spoolie and brush it away. Alright you guys, so that is my full, fresh-faced, flawless, how many F's can we get in this thing? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I usually don't do all drugstore makeup like this, but I wanted to try it and challenge myself. So this is what I came up with and I'm obsessed. It just looks so good and so beautiful. And all this stuff is so affordable. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do that so you know when I post videos. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and if you like me, because I like you. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.